Hi guys, today we are making Ghanaian pancakes. They're very easy to make, very delicious. Think of them as the fatter, dimpled, sweeter big sister to the French crepe. Okay, so these ones they are crepe-like. They're just not as paper thin as crepes, and they're just more fattening. Okay, but I think that you'll enjoy them. Now keep in mind that I have added the ingredients, or the measurements that I have are for a huge batch. So when using about a 9-inch frying pan, I think I probably yielded about maybe 40 or 45 to 50 pancakes just with this recipe. You can reduce the ingredients, just cut the measurements in half or quarters or however way you want to do it if you want fewer pancakes, okay? And you can double it if you want more as well. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1/2 gallon of milk, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs already beaten, any type of extract you prefer, a whole nutmeg for grating, and oil for frying. To get started, add all the milk to a large bowl. Then slowly incorporate 5 cups of all-purpose flour to your milk. Add your beaten eggs. And your sugar. You can add more sugar if you'd like. Just taste before you continue to add so it's not too sweet. Grate 1/2 to a whole nutmeg into your mixture. Add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of extract. I'm using bourbon vanilla extract here, but you can use any extract that you choose. The batter should be nice and light like you see here. Don't worry if there are lumps in there. They will dissolve during the cooking process. Keep the heat on medium-low and make sure that the pan is really hot before you add 1 teaspoon of frying oil. I'm using canola oil here. And go ahead and ladle the batter into your pan and stir it around so that the batter isn't too thick in one spot. About 2 minutes after, flip your pancake and just kind of straighten it out in the pan. I'm going to let it sit for about 1 minute on this side, and then I'm going to flip it back to the side that you see here because I think it's actually a prettier presentation than the inside part, if that makes any sense. And that's it, really. You're all done. So we generally eat these by themselves in Ghana as a snack, but you can incorporate them into a complete breakfast if you want. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.